Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to get to your class notebook. Always consider when you're in Teams that the newest information is always at the bottom. So if you want to go and see like what the assignment was last week, you can scroll up, or you can watch my assignments video and you'll know that. Just click assignments and you find your class. So to find your notebook, you'll click on more, and then you'll see class notebook and you'll click on it. And then it should open up to your notebook, your OneNote on your phone or computer. And then you'll click the back arrow and you'll click Content Library. And it has all of the information for your Glass Castle project. Then if you go back on Teams, it will load. There we go. You can see all of your assignments here. There's a quick link to the assignments. There's notes. You see it. And then if you go to files, you can see unit 1 through 3, and all of the links and PDFs are in there. All right, have a great day.